Wind's still kind of blowing from our back, but not much. Attack from the sun. That last battery, man, I flew it down. I must have done a lot more verticals than what I thought in that last video. It was a little below 374 per cell. Normally I got like 3/8 something.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Bugs on my hands. Love bugs have been bad as they hatch out. Man, it'd be good thermals. I should have brought my glider with me. I was gonna bring a glider. I got one battery for the XL.
Timer stop. Landing flaps.
For the Radiant XL. And no way.
Timer start. Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Absolutely no way I could get it down. It'd be way down there. Now the wind's blowing from across the runway. It was blowing behind when I took off.
Time remaining 6
hey, thermals,
minutes.
Man. Good day for thermals.
Landing flaps.
Good
Timer
day
stop.
for thermals. Good day for thermals.
Timer start.
Oh, I started feeding rudder in it a little late. I was wanting to put it in half of the runway. I saw I was overshooting it. So instead of trying to do something stupid, totally stupid, I just did half stupid.
Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Alright, feeding rudder into it already.
Timer start. Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
My hat's coming off.
Landing flaps. Timer stop. Timer start. Flaps up.
Holy cow.
Time remaining 5 minutes. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Landing flaps. Timer stop.
I want to go to the wind.
Takeoff flaps.
Alright, I gotta stop. I gotta fix stuff. Yeah, a little bit of a breeze, not much, but enough to take it into the
Timer
wind.
start. Flaps up.
Much better.
Time remaining, 4 minutes. Landing flaps. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Take off flaps. Timer start. Flaps up. Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Well, there you go. I'm going to stop early.
Take off flaps. Flaps up. Timer start. Timer stop. Normal mode.
Check my battery. Stop early. Ah, shoot.
3D mode. Timer start.
Got enough for another landing. I think I got my battery. I got my CG. I've been moving my CG around. I've flown 3 flights and had the battery in 3 different positions. And I think this is a little more nose heavy than the other 2. I don't think, I know it is.
Time remaining, 3 minutes. Take off flaps. Landing flaps.
Oh, that was bad. That was ugly.
Timer stop.
That was ugly.
Timer start.
Shouldn't have said anything because on the
Timer
video
stop.
you can't see how ugly it is that far away.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Take off flaps. Timer start. Flaps up.
Alright. Do a short circuit. Go down and get another landing from the right and call it a flight.
Landing flaps. Timer stop.
Perfect, 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 perfect. There you go.
Flaps up.
QK, Cessna 170, Flex Innovations.
Normal mode.
Well, hope you're having a good day. We're having a good day. I'm getting ready to leave. Probably fly 2 more planes and then call it a day.